Memes never die. They only hide somewhere. Almost after 80 years, Kilroy is still hiding there. Memes are like viruses. They are made to multiply and spread. And like all viruses, it can't be really dead. A meme is like a little kid, just like the child in you and me. It's not meant to be right. It's not meant to be the best. It's not safe. It's just meant to be. It doesn't care about society beliefs, culture or religion. And like all the little kids, it can be mean. But it's an asshole with a big heart. And it knows how to take the right decision. Everything can become a meme, even Milhouse. And he is not even supposed to be a meme. It can be a drawing, a picture, a video, or even music. One time posted on the internet, it will be forever on the internet. This is what they say. Somewhere on the internet, forever on the webs it will stay. Sleep tight, pupa.